Hi guys, good morning once again, and let's continue with the topic that is life processes. I don't know whether it is a boring topic or an interesting topic, but normally students actually are scared of this topic because they say that, sir, there are so many terms, that which term to learn, which term not to learn. So I'm just trying to break them down into points. So what did we do till now? We have taken now two lectures on this chapter, which is known as life processes. On the first chapter, we talked about the introduction part of it, that was the nutrition, definition of nutrition and life processes, and what do you mean by all the life processes steps and so on and so forth. In the previous lecture, we had talked about the word that is nutrition in plants, and then we had talked about the part of nutrition in humans. इन ह्यूमंस के अंदर हम लोगों ने करीबन 6 पॉइंट्स या आई थिंक 5 पॉइंट्स शायद कल डिस्कस किए थे, एंड दोज वर रिलेटेड टू the mouth, the teeth, the esophagus, the tongue, the bolus, the gastric juices, the stomach, the J-shaped, and so on and so forth. Now let's now continue with the next part, which is the small intestine. कल तक हमें ये समझ में आ गया कि लिवर ने क्या किया. लिवर ने गैस्ट्रिक जूस को सिक्रेट किया, स्टमक के अंदर डाला, जो आपका खाना अंदर गया. Now that particular food was literally being broken down and burnt and oxidized. Now post than that what? अब क्या? After than that particular food which is being broken up into smaller constituents is now going to pass right from the part of small intestine. Now do not go on the name, because this is the question which normally CBSE and the state board does ask in each and every question or in each and every exam, and that is, why is small intestine known as small intestine? First of all, a myth. Small intestine is not small. In fact, it is very large. In fact, it is so large that if technically you spread it up, it will be covering up almost around say 18 to 20 feet. Okay, so it's pretty large. So then why it is known as small intestine? It is known as small intestine because the aperture, I forgot that, by the way, the ray optics is all the way over. Because the diameter of of this particular tube, which is known as the small intestine, is actually small than home, or is smaller than home, then is large intestine. So remember that small intestine, because the diameter is small, and that's the reason why it is known as small intestine. But otherwise, this intestine is much more lengthier and longer as compared to the large intestine. Got it? So ध्यान रखना, स्मॉल इंटेस्टाइन स्मॉल नहीं होती है, बड़ी होती है, एंड लार्ज इंटेस्टाइन बड़ी नहीं होती है, छोटी होती है. देन कम्स द क्वेश्चन, फिर लार्ज इंटेस्टाइन को लार्ज क्यों बोलते हैं? बिकॉज उसका डायमीटर बड़ा होता है. किससे बड़ा होता है? स्मॉल इंटेस्टाइन से. दैट्स ऑल. Okay, fine guys. So let's now come back again. So small intestine is known as small intestine because the diameter is small. Okay. Now, it is a highly coiled structure. ऐसे कुचड़ मुचड़ पूरा का पूरा ऐसे coiled structure होगा, and that's the reason why apparently वो लगती बहुत छोटी है, but actually it's not that small. Okay. Now, coiled structure. Now in this coiled structure, the so-called oxidized and the burnt food is now passing through it. There would be certain internal glands, okay, and those will be the small intestinal internal glands, and those are present in the small intestine, which are going to secrete a kind of a juice. Now जब भी मैं बोल रहा हूँ कि secrete juice, that means जैसे ही कुछ खाना पास होगा, ये उसके अंदर थोड़ा थोड़ा अपना वाला केमिकल भी मिक्स करना चालू कर देंगे. That is known as secretion. Okay. After they secrete the intestinal juice, then what happens? Then the substance is furthermore converted into simple molecules. Now post this, when I'm going to complete this topic of small intestine, I'm going to ask you a very nice question which you should think and ponder about. Substances are converted into simple molecules. तो जो आपने masticate करके food कर लिया था, which is now being oxidized, is furthermore simplified. Okay. Now that is known as the digestion. Now digested food is taken up by the wall of small intestine. Now small intestine में छोटे छोटे finger like ऐसे projections होते हैं, and which is known as villi. Okay, villi, or you can see the spelling if I'm wrong somewhere, but normally it is known as villi or villi, I guess. Okay, please check it up once. So these small finger-like projections, now the question is, why is villi over there? And where exactly is this villi? This villi would be covering the entire, the intestinal walls. But the question is, why are they in this finger-like projection? This is just to increase the surface area, because जितना surface area बढ़ेगा उतना ज़्यादा ये वाले walls खाने को या जो भी material आपका जा रहा है उसको absorb कर पाएंगे, and then they can send it across the larger intestine or directly into the bloodstream. Now, so remember that digested food is taken up by the wall of small intestine, and these walls of small intestine would be covered up with this particular layer of villi. And this villi is nothing else but is a finger-like projection. And what is the function of villi? It is simply to increase the surface area of this part. That's so simple, guys. Okay. Now, so now comes the question. अभी तक आप देखो बॉडी ने किया ही क्या है? एक्चुअली में कुछ भी नहीं किया. बॉडी केवल आपने जो कॉम्प्लेक्स फूड खाया है, कॉम्प्लेक्स फूड, बट हमने तो सिंपल फूड खाया था. सर आप तो मॉम की इतनी तारीफ करते रहते हो दैट मॉम्स हैड मेड सच अ नाइस फूड एंड शी इज द बेस्ट मैनेजर इन द वर्ल्ड एंड मॉम्स दिस एंड मॉम्स दैट, एंड आप डेली बोलते हो गुड मॉर्निंग बोलो, गुड इवनिंग बोलो. अंडरस्टैंड गाइज राइट नाउ, द प्लांट्स विच आर एट द बेस और द प्लांट्स by the way which are autotrophs and which are producing food, they are converting simple substances like carbon dioxide and water, and they are trying to convert this into a much more typical form or much more complicated form, and which is known as carbohydrates, right? Now these so-called glucose molecules like C6H12O6 is nothing else but is known as carbs or carbohydrates or glucose, and this glucose is stored in the form of fruit or vegetables or whatever. Now when you try to consume it, please understand that those particular carbohydrates are coupled up with a lot of things. So इसका मतलब है मुझे उनको दोबारा से simple substances के अंदर break करना है, right? तो इसका मतलब है प्लांट्स ने कॉम्प्लेक्स चीज बनाई, आपने वो कॉम्प्लेक्स चीज खाई, बट अनफॉर्चुनेटली योर बॉडी नीड्स दैट कॉम्प्लेक्स थिंग इनटू broken up into the smaller versions, and that's what your body is actually intended to do. When we talk about the word immunity as in so I don't smile and laugh onto whatever is going right now, but of course being a science student and उतने basic sciences मालूम है, अंदर से लगता है कि why are actually people creating this kind of chaos altogether? Guys, believe me, and this is a sincere request to all of the students, you already knew right from the class of 5th that once you go outside you need to come and wash your hands and rinse your fingers in between, don't chew your nails. This is basic hygiene and basic etiquette. I don't think that respected Prime Minister Modi ji needs to come up and again tell us that how to wash your hands. Yeah, I mean, you guys are completely, cool, and you are in fact much more better than our version. So, point is, when you know something, then why don't you start actually applying just to make sure that you guys are fine? As in, when I told you yesterday that the word is that आपने अभी तक देखा, कल भी आप टीथ से क्या कर रहे थे? मैस्टिकेट कर रहे थे. ईसोफेगस क्या कर रहा था? बोलस बना रहा था, बोलस को अंदर भेज रहा था. अंदर का स्टमक क्या कर रहा था? कुछ एसिड्स गिरा रहा था ताकि आपका जो कॉम्प्लेक्स फूड है दैट कैन बी बर्न्ड अप इनटू स्मॉलर सब्सटेंसेस. व्हाट इज द स्मॉल इंटेस्टाइन डूइंग? स्मॉल इंटेस्टाइन इज आल्सो बाय द वे फर्दरमोर वो एक जूस सिक्रेट कर रहा था व्हिच इज नोन एज द आपका द स्मॉल इंटेस्टाइनल ग्लैंड जूस, एंड दैट पर्टिकुलर जूस इज नाउ कन्वर्टिंग the so-called food into the much more simpler substances. So the moral of the story is, when you are eating food, why can't you just keep everything aside for those 20, 25, 15, 10, 5 minutes आप जितनी देर में भी खाते हो, and why can't you just chew your food properly? And guys, trust me, if you are able to chew your food properly, believe me, you are actually putting that doctor away. So you don't require ideally an apple to keep a doctor away. You can simply masticate your food, chew your food very finely, and then can have it. Now this comes up to another point. Post then, by the way, this digested food which is now being absorbed, because होगा क्या, अब जितनी चीज़ें जो काफ़ी synthesized होती हैं, काफ़ी processed food होती हैं, जैसे say suppose I personally love chips, the potato chips, or which is known as wafers. But please understand, when I actually went to their factory to see how they are being made, I mean, they are being made around 4 to 5 months before, and there are a lot of preservatives. Do one thing, don't, by the way, stop eating all this junk food. But what I would say is next time whenever you are going to go to the market and being a English medium student, because यदि आप एक lecture सुन रहे हो तो I'm sure कि आप English medium student ही होगे. Please guys do check the back wrapper of that and see the manufacturing date. Of course जो भी खाने का item होता है उसमें गवर्नमेंट ऑफ इंडिया के norms के हिसाब से there would have been a manufacturing date. And guys believe me, major of you guys would be sure. Because the manufacturing date sometimes would be, January 2020, March 2020. What is the month right now which is going on? It's technically June. So today, if I'm not mistaken, it's around 17th of June. Now or 16th of June. I don't know what's the date today. That means that March का जो खाना बना हुआ है वो आप 17th of June को खा रहे हो very happily, saying that your mom does not cook good food and this food is better food than your mom's food. Mom is cooking your food right now, it's served hot. That means your stomach just loves that hot food and it can burn it easily because it contains a lot of amount of roughage and fiber. But technically when you're eating all these synthesized foods, you're not letting your stomach or the small intestine crush them. Now what happens? This so-called junk, otherwise मैंने तो नाम नहीं रखा junk या आपके मॉम ने तो नाम नहीं रखा junk. Imagine when this junk food actually goes all through your body, it just settles down as junk and it takes a lot of time your body, for your body to cleanse that particular thing up. So why are you giving that torture to your own body? हाँ किसी दुश्मन की body हो तो बात समझ में आता भी है, But why do your own body, guys? Here, anyway, so post than this, the small intestine, the food is going to pass through, another part, and this part does not lie outside the intestine or the small intestine. It technically lies within inside. ये उन्हीं के coils के बीच में ही होता है, and which coils किसके coil? वो जो highly coiled structure है small intestine का उसके बीच में होता है, and that is known as pancreas. Each and every part of your body is just so important that यदि इसने आप काम करना बंद कर दिया, guys, you are dead. Immediate fever, and then vomiting, and then nausea, and then death. If this doesn't work, you are dead. If esophagus does not work, you are dead. If stomach does not work, you are dead. If anus does not work, you are dead. In every condition, guys, you are dead literally. Not dead as in dead, but almost next to dead. Now, pancreas. So pancreas are that small soft gland which are present in between the loops of the small intestine. Okay. Now what does this pancreas nonsense do? आखिर ये क्या काम करते हैं? खाली बस बैठे हुए हैं? No, they are going to secrete a juice which is known as pancreatic juice. सर ये सारी की सारी चीजें इतने juices क्यों भेजते हैं? मतलब मार्केट में भी तो मिलता है. 10 rupees juice, 20 rupees juice, and why are they, continuously secreting all of this juice? Because this juice is not a simple juice which is available in the market. This contains some of the most active enzymes in it. What does the enzyme do? As in, what does the manager do? It technically speeds up the reaction, so your food technically gets, more easily processed. It secretes pancreatic juice. And now what does this pancreatic juice actually contains? It contains 3 major enzymes, guys, very important point to remember, and that is it would contain trypsin, and it would contain lipase and amylase. So you can pronounce that lipase or lipase or lipase or whatever pronunciation you would like to feel. It's fine. So it would contain enzyme like trypsin, lipase and amylase. Now when I'm talking about the word trypsin, so what does this trypsin do? Technically, trypsin is going to be used to convert what? That is things into amino acids. So trypsin का केवल एक ही काम होता है कि ये जो आपका जो ऑक्सीडाइज्ड फूड होता है उनमें से बाय द वे कुछ चीजों को कन्वर्ट किसमें करे? अमीनो एसिड्स में. Now what are those amino acids? अमीनो एसिड्स आपके लैंग्वेज के अंदर अभी के लिए आप केवल इतना समझ लो that they are the building blocks. आपके जो डीएनए होते हैं या जो आरएनए आपने जो सुना होगा, they're all being made from these amino acids. Amino means nitrogenous compound. And this is the reason why I am always a fan of moms, because I don't know from where have they done their studies, But guys, trust me, they know science much better than what I know and much better than all the other teachers in the world. Imagine, how does she know that by the way you don't like pulses and dal और उनको मालूम है कि आपको दाल खिलानी है? Because इस एज में आपको ये दालें बहुत ज़रूरी हैं because they contain those nitrogenous products, nitrogen fixing bacteria. याद करो leguminous class 8th and 9th. Okay, so these are those nitrogenous, compounds which would be going inside and which will be giving you nitrogen or the compounds of nitrogen. And she knows it. And believe me, she hasn't studied science that well, but still. So guys, have trust on your mom because believe me, they are geniuses. But anyway, so coming back, so what does the trypsin do? Trypsin is going to convert all of the material or major of the material into amino acids, which is the building block. Then what does the lipase do? But before, by the way, moving on to the word lipase, or let's start with the word lipase. So technically, lipase is going to break all the oils and the triglycerides and by the way, the major fats into what? The fatty acids, right? Then what does this amylase do? This amylase is going to convert the sugars into much more simpler sugars, or in simple word, they are going to convert the starch into simple sugars or sugars into the starch. It's one and the same part. So remember that what does the trypsin do? Trypsin is going to convert this so-called peptides. मैं heavier terms नहीं use कर रहा हूँ because right now वो भी आपके syllabus में नहीं है, so there's no point. So they are going to convert all these kind of protein things into amino acids. What does this lipase do? Lipase is going to convert, that is what? That is fats, glycerides into fatty acids or much more smaller version of fatty acids. What does the amylase do? Amylase is going to convert the word, say starch or the sugars into much more simpler sugars. Another part is which is known as pepsin, P-E-P-S-I-N, pepsin. What does the pepsin do? Pepsin is going to convert the proteins which are present in meat and egg yolks and all those particular stuff into much more simpler substances. So remember that every enzyme is very, very useful for you. And these enzymes are pretty, sensitive as they are not going to work in simple temperatures or not in every temperatures or not in every acidic or basic medium. They require their own particular conditions to work. In simple words, they are like celebrities. तो ये आप इनको ऐसे normally लेकर के नहीं घूम सकते हो. इनको एक पर्टिकुलर कंडीशन चाहिए होती तभी ये काम करते हैं. जब भी कभी आपको फीवर होता है, and now you can understand whenever you are going to get hit by a fever, then these enzymes are not going to perform. जब ये enzymes काम नहीं करेंगे तो आप जब खाना खा भी रहे होगे तो टेस्ट ने तो लिया, पेपिले ने अपना काम किया जो टंग पर थे, but problem is अंदर की तरफ में जब ये फूड गया रोल होकर के, it's not getting digested properly. अब जब खाना डाइजेस्ट होगा ही नहीं तो इसका मतलब आपको पूरे टाइम एक ब्लोटेड वाली फीलिंग आती है एंड यू फील नॉजिएटिंग एंड वॉमिटिंग एंड थकान बिकॉज योर एनर्जी लेवल्स वुड बी डाउन बिकॉज द फूड इज नॉट गेटिंग कंप्लीटली ऑक्सीडाइज्ड. सो सिंपल. And now you can understand why I keep on saying that human body is so complex. If you are thinking that केवल एक पार्ट ने काम किया तो चलेगा, नहीं. Technically, let's assume if I am being made the Honorable President of India or the Prime Minister of India, I think what I would like to do, and in spite, I just love all these what I'm going to say, I would seriously cut on the word processed foods. Guys, whenever something is being processed, you technically tend to lose all the things and आपको as a supplement कुछ डालना पड़ता है. These supplements are not naturally grown, they are chemicals, guys. So when you are adding chemicals to your body, I'm sure that your body is not a garbage chemical dump house, right? It's your own body. So you need to decide whether you would love to have chemicals or not. Imagine यदि आपने, just to tell you that by the way what this idiotic lipase can do. Now I am saying idiotic because that's what we think. छोटे छोटे chemicals के नाम है क्या करेंगे? Imagine what does this lipase can actually do. Let's take an example of a cheese slice. Britannia cheese slice, I just love it. Okay, or Amul cheese slice. And who doesn't love it on a piece of pizza? I'm getting that hunger pangs. Anyway, so all of those particular, cheese slices are now going to go on the bread and you're going to consume it. Okay. Let's take an experiment. This I've already discussed in my class when the classes were on. Let's take two piece of glasses, okay, transparent glasses. कुछ नहीं करना आपको एक के अंदर चीज रख देना है. एक ग्लास के अंदर आपको चीज रख देना है, बल्कि एक ही ग्लास लेना. Why to waste cheese slice? It's so tasty. So what you need to do is take that particular glass, उस ग्लास के अंदर चीज डाल देना and pour some water, and then just keep it over there for say a day. And then whatever happens, just let me know. और आपको पूरा चीज का वो स्लाइस नहीं करना है तो आप थोड़ा सा एक छोटा सा पीस रख दो एंड बहुत सारा पानी डाल दो, एंड देन लेट मी नो व्हाट एक्चुअली हैपेंस. बिलीव मी, for around 4 days, 5 days, 6 days, 7 days, maybe 9 days, nothing's gonna happen. Nothing is gonna happen. The cheese slice is right going to be at the bottom of the container. It is so smooth, so processed, your body will not be able to digest it. Saying this, what do you think is going to happen? Then in that particular case, if let us say suppose in the same glass you just remove all the water and now pour some acid in it, and now if you are thinking that this particular cheese slice is going to get broken, not exactly so. So imagine that this particular cheese slice, when it goes in the body, and if Lipase is not working, whom do you think has got the ability to digest or convert this oil into simple fatty acids? Nobody. क्या होगा? Bloating, choke, constipation, and then nauseating feeling, vomiting, food poisoning, क्योंकि अब खाना अंदर सड़ना चालू हो जाएगा और डिकम्पोज होना चालू हो जाएगा, और in other terms rancid होना चालू हो जाएगा. When this rancid food is going to go all across your body, because धीरे धीरे बॉडी को एनर्जी चाहिए होती है. अब वो एनर्जी कहाँ से निकालेगी? फ्रेश फूड तो कुछ आया नहीं है क्योंकि आप खाना खा नहीं रहे हो, बिकॉज यू आर फीलिंग कॉन्स्टिपेटेड, राइट? Now this particular food, the kachra wala food is now being sent up across all the body. Ab isse kaam chalao, and this is what is going to lower down your immunity and also increase the what diseases in your body. So in simple words, I am not saying that do cut down on the word cheese and the butter and all this, but guys, a sincere request, please do not take all of these things at night at least. रात के टाइम पर take a pledge not to eat these processed material, because your body natural cycle tries to cleanse everything and it becomes very difficult for it. If you want to take it, please take it in the noon, please take it in the morning. It becomes much more easier because आप जब काम कर रहे होते हो, it becomes much more active and चीज़ों को break करना ज़्यादा simple होता है. So don't consume those processed food. जब भी मैं processed food की बात कर रहा हूँ, कोई भी दुनिया में चीज़ें जो natural नहीं हैं, they are processed. Otherwise होगा कुछ नहीं guys. Around 25-27 के age में you will be having a bloated stomach like this. Your choice. I don't think that looks cool. Now, coming back from the word pancreas and all these words जो मैंने आपको तीनों बताए हैं, तीनों के functions हैं, ध्यान रखना, because I'm gonna ask. Then comes the word large intestine. So what does the large intestine do? Large intestine is known as large intestine because its diameter is much more larger than the previous intestine, but the size is actually smaller. तो इसका मतलब है ये छोटी होती है लंबाई में, but this has got a larger diameter than small intestine. So larger diameter के अंदर mainly peristaltic movements के वजह से actually में केवल खाना ही जा रहा होता है, but ये वो खाना होता है जो completely waste होता है. So it's just now being sent across, right? Okay, so shorter and wider, and it helps in absorption of what? H2O. अब large intestine बहुत सारा पानी जा रहा होता है because waste material अपने आप नहीं जाता है, it requires some oiling and greasing, so water के साथ में जा रहा होता है. Post, by the way, this particular water and all this, when it goes, तो intestine कोशिश करती है कि जो भी पानी है उसको भी retain कर पाए, absorb कर पाए. So reabsorption का काम भी large intestine करना चालू कर देते हैं. So what is the function of large intestine? It will pass the waste material from the body to the anus from where it can be excreted. But before than that, why it is large intestine? Because its diameter is much larger than the small intestine, but the size is smaller than the small intestine. What does the anus do? Now anus is technically the most external part altogether, not external, it's an internal part, but the end of the alimentary canal, right? So यहाँ से आपका सारा का सारा food material is going to go outside your body. Now people would think, hey, it's like so smelly and stinky, yuck, सारा का सारा. But guys, trust me, जितना important mouth and buccal cavity होता है, उतना ही important excretion भी होता है. Why? Because if the food waste is not being excreted, it will start stinking. And again, it will create a lot of pathogens in your body, which is going to destroy and lower down your immunity. I have seen in the last around 4 years and 5 years, and that's not related to my coaching center, that's related to all across. And I'm not only talking about Maharashtra, I'm talking about all the other states as well. Please understand, guys, that we are blessed that way to born in India. Why? Because we always receive sunlight, almost kind of throughout the year. The sunlight is a source of energy which is going to create n number of useful things for us, right? Now, in the European and the colder countries, उनकी immunity आप देखोगे तो उनकी immunity बहुत weak होती है. वहाँ पर every guy or girl, post around 20s and 30s and 40s, they are taking some other medicines. In fact, कई जगह पर तो ऐसी condition होती है कि वो लोग खाना कम खाते हैं, medicine ज़्यादा खाते हैं. What do you think? Is this good? I don't think that's a healthy way of living, guys. आपको जो भी कुछ खाना है, आपकी बॉडी इतनी स्ट्रांग होनी चाहिए कि आपने कुछ भी खाया उसे सब कुछ डाइजेस्ट कर लिया. But for that, you need to maintain your immunity. And how you can maintain your immunity? By saying all those simple things, or by doing all those simple things. First thing, when you're eating food, no mobiles, strictly no TV. Only focus on your food. It's hardly a 10-minute and a 15-minute job. Do it and then move. Do not drink water while you're having food. Now that does not mean that you cannot, but try and avoid, or by the way, take the water as minimum as you can. That does not mean bilkul mat piyo, but thoda piyo during the part of having food. Why? Because technically in the stomach, when this particular juices are being secreted, they are all concentrated juices. आपने पानी डाल दिया है, so now you are making it diluted. तो जो डाइजेशन प्रोसेस होता है वो काफ़ी स्लो हो जाता है. एंड टू मेक श्योर दैट द डाइजेशन प्रोसेस डज नॉट गेट स्लो डाउन, व्हाट यू सिंपली नीड टू डू इज कंज्यूम लेसर अमाउंट ऑफ वाटर. इफ यू वांट टू हैव वाटर, गाइज, आफ्टर फूड लीव इट फॉर अराउंड 30 मिनट्स. आप पूरा अपना खाना खा लो, हैंड वॉश कर लो, सब कुछ कर लो. आफ्टर अराउंड 30 मिनट्स टू 40 मिनट्स, नाउ यू कैन हैव योर वाटर. And guys, trust me, that is going to make you look much more leaner, sharper, meaner, smarter, cutier, what else not? I mean, though you are, but still, more. Anyway, so what does the anus do? It is going to exit the waste material. Next. So I've already told you about the word villi, guys. Now comes the word respiration. Now, why are we talking about the word respiration? We already talked about the word nutrition. Common sense सोचो, आखिर अपने यहाँ पर अर्थ पे ऐसा क्या है जो कि मून पर नहीं है? If on the surface of moon, technically, if I need to burn something up, will I be able to burn? No. Why? Because there is no atmosphere. So technically there is no oxygen. That means that combustion के लिए, burning के लिए, oxygen is required, and that's what exactly happens in your body. So respiration is kind of a redox reaction. It is a reduction reaction as well as it's an oxidation reaction. Energy is generated by oxidation of food. Remember, oxidation is kind of combustion. Okay, though that's not the exact right statement. Respiration, what is respiration? Respiration is that phenomena in which the food is getting oxidized and energy is getting released. So आप जो भी खाना खा रहे होते हो, पहली चीज़ दिमाग में से निकाल दो कि आप उसके टेस्ट की वजह से खा रहे होते हो. आप खाना इसलिए खा रहे होते हो बिकॉज यू रिक्वायर एनर्जी. आपको यदि एनर्जी मिल जाए, नथिंग लाइक इट. ओके, इन द प्रीवियस पॉइंट, द फोर्थ पॉइंट इज, गाइस, चू योर फूड. चू. मैस्टिकेशन. आप जितना अच्छे ढंग से खाने को चबाओगे उतना स्ट्रॉन्गर आप बनोगे, बिलीव मी. नाउ, energy is generated by oxidation of food. The next part is, now how many kind of respirations are over there? There are two kinds of major respiration, and one is known as aerobic and another is known as anaerobic. Now when I'm talking about the word aerobic means which requires air or oxygen. So that kind of respiration which takes place in the presence of oxygen will be known as aerobic. What do you mean by anaerobic? Anaerobic respiration is that kind of respiration which occurs in the absence or limited supply of oxygen. Now what actually happens, जब भी कभी फूड पूरा अच्छे ढंग से बर्न हो जाता है, यदि आप बिना टेंशन के केवल खाने पे ध्यान दे रहे हो, एंड यू आर टेलिंग इट टू योर मॉम और यू आर सेइंग इट टू मॉम, आई एम जस्ट लविंग द फूड. गाइज ट्रस्ट मी, मैं कोई स्पिरिचुअल लीडर नहीं हूँ जो आपको ये सारी की सारी ज्ञान की बातें बता रहा हूँ. माई मेन फोकस इज टू मेक श्योर दैट दिस टफ टॉपिक actually becomes into smaller simpler topics. When you start appreciating your mom for whatever they are doing or your dad for whatever they are doing, it actually creates a sense of kind of satisfaction inside you, and ultimately the brain is going to be a bit more happier and is going to release a lot of hormones which are actually going to help you out. So ultimately guys, do not treat food को कभी भी गुस्से से तो बिल्कुल नहीं खाना चाहिए, बिल्कुल भी नहीं. In a hurry, it's better to avoid food rather than having food in a hurry. Ultimately, it's adding up to junk. And you're not a junkyard, guys. You're human, right? Now, so aerobic respiration very important because यहाँ से भी आपको कुछ माहित मिलेगा. Presence of oxygen. यदि आपका food properly burn हुआ है और यदि अच्छा oxygen available है, then glucose कहाँ से आया था ये glucose? From the plants, carbohydrates. Glucose is broken down to carbon dioxide and H2O. And this carbon dioxide is exhaled outside. So remember, if the oxygen level is present properly, then you are going to undergo aerobic respiration. आपके energy level ज़्यादा better होंगे. Now I have seen a lot of times n number of different people with of course different theories altogether. Though I'm not that huge bodybuilder either way, guys. I'm not into that showbiz. And I think, a person should be much more fitter rather than a buildier body. Now, that does not mean that I'm scared of going to gyms altogether. I do respect, the kind of work or the hard work they put up. But guys, even if you want to do some kind of hard work, please guys, do it in the presence of or in the open space. If you would like to go for gymming, go in the open space. आपने देखे होंगे पुराने जितने भी ये जो दंगल होते थे, they used to be on the open spaces. They never ever used to have the concept of gym, which is known as closed space. And आजकल तो the kind of fun which I am seeing is people are now going to gyms inside the blocks, guys. Rooms के अंदर. Is there presence of ample amount of oxygen over there? And if it is, it's good. If it is not, guys, you are risking your life. So remember that aerobic respiration के लिए oxygen ज़रूरी होती है, and यदि ये पूरा aerobic respiration होगा, then the food will be broken down properly and the CO2 and H2O will be released. On the other hand, if the food is not being broken up properly, oxygen levels बहुत high नहीं है, that is known as anaerobic respiration. उस केस में क्या होगा? उस केस में the glucose is incompletely oxidized and it is now no more converted into what? CO2 and H2O. It's now converted to lactic acid and ethyl alcohol. Ethyl alcohol is known as ethanol. Ethanol का formula होता है C2H5OH. And this ethanol in simple words is known as liquor, alcohol. तो इसका मतलब है यदि आपने प्रॉपरली फूड को नहीं च्यू किया या प्रॉपर फूड आपने इन द इनकम्प्लीट प्रेजेंस ऑफ ऑक्सीजन के अंदर किया हुआ है, देन इट्स गोइंग टू कन्वर्ट इनटू लैक्टिक एसिड. एंड इस लैक्टिक एसिड की वजह से यू विल स्टार्ट फीलिंग व्हाट? फटीग, थक जाओगे. बिकॉज लैक्टिक एसिड एक बार बनना चालू हो गया तो देन इट विल वंस अगेन मेक यू लुक टायर्ड, फटीग, पेन होना चालू हो जाता है जॉइंट्स में, बोन्स में एंड ऑल दिस. Of course it will reconvert it back, but उसके लिए रेस्ट लेना पड़ता है. तो इसका मतलब है जब भी कभी आपने कोई बहुत ज़्यादा हैवी काम किया है, थिंक अबाउट इट. क्या हुआ है? आप थक गए हो? एब्सोल्युटली रॉन्ग. वहाँ पर ऑक्सीजन की शॉर्टेज है. जब वहाँ पर ऑक्सीजन की शॉर्टेज है, व्हाट यू नीड टू डू? गो आउटसाइड, टेक ऑक्सीजन. क्लासरूम में आपने देखा होगा yawning. I'm sorry, I was not yawning. But guys, when you yawn, what are you trying to do? You are trying to consume more oxygen because now the brain is going to get so bored. It's going to say, please go outside. Once you go outside, play games, it becomes normal. Okay? So now, anaerobic के अंदर there are two components which are the end products, and one is lactic acid, another is ethanol or ethyl alcohol, and both If they increase beyond a certain quantity, they are going to create huge amount of pain and fatigue. So you should not let it happen. Respiration in plants, everybody knows, guys, it's a common sense. Respiration in plants will always happen through leaves. Remember the word stomata, exchange of gases, guard cells. On the other hand, respiration in animals is always being done through specific parts, which can be nose, nostrils, which can also be different parts. For example, in frogs, they actually respire through their skin. So every of the animal, human is also an animal by the way. So every of the animal has got some specific part through which they are going to do this word respiration. Okay. So remember guys, in today's lecture we did complete the word nutrition in human beings. We did study all the separate parts about it. We talked about the word enzymes and what are their uses. We also talked about the word respiration. We talked about the word villi. We talked about the word aerobic, what are the end products, and anaerobic, what are the end products. And we had talked about in plants and animals. So tomorrow we are going to end up the topic of respiration in human beings. So कल आपको मालूम पड़ जाएगा what is by the way larynx, pharynx, once again you know the alveolus, alveoli, bronchi. So कल भी आपको बहुत सारी चीजें सीखने के लिए मिलेंगी. Guys, once again, because the timings are right now, you know, pretty tough that way. I know, because COVID-19 and so on and so forth, though I personally do not believe into it, but still, that's my perception. Guys, please do not take risks. Please eat your food properly and develop immunity. Use some salads, some citrus fruits in your diet. It's very, very essential right now. Drink a lot of water. That's going to save you guys. Thank you so much, guys. Love your mom and dad. Please keep smiling. It helps you a lot. And it will spread, you know, happiness all across the world, okay? So keep smiling, guys. See ya. Chill. Bye.